In a recent Sanlam survey, 75% of South Africans don't have a will. Can you believe it? So what is a will? A will means that you have a say in how your assets are going to be distributed upon your death. It's nasty. No one wants to think about it. But the reality is, at some point, every one of us are going to pass on. So it's very important for us to have a will. What happens if you don't have a will? If you don't have a will, the law will determine how your assets will be divided. And do you really want your house to go to your 45th cousin who you have no relationship with? It's better to have a will. It's a simple document where you stipulate what your assets are and who it goes to. And you know what? You have a full right and discretion to decide where your assets should go. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.